If Microsoft Word is showing error 2604, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This error is often related to Office settings, internet security protocols, or even an incorrect system date and time. The good news is you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything. So if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, open the control panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by searching for Control Panel in the Start menu. Once it opens, look for Microsoft Office or change your Office installation. Depending on your version, you may see options to repair or modify Office. If you find Microsoft Office listed, go ahead and make sure the installation is healthy and up to date. Sometimes a quick change or repair here can clear the word Error 2604. Next, check your computer's date and time. This step is very important because if your system clock is out of sync, Microsoft Office can run into activation and connection issues. Right-click the date and time in the bottom right corner, choose Adjust Date and Time, and make sure the time zone, date, and time are all correct. If they are wrong, fix them, then restart Word and test again. After that, we need to check your internet security settings. Search for Internet options in Windows and open it. In the Internet Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and scroll through the settings carefully. Look for Use TLS 1.2 and Use TLS 1.3 and make sure both of these boxes are checked. These security protocols help Office connect properly to Microsoft services, and if they are disabled, Word can throw errors like 2604. Once you've enabled them, click Apply and then OK. Now open Word and see if the issue is gone. If the error is still there, the next step is to sign out of your Office account and sign back in. Open Microsoft Word, go to File, then Account, and select Sign Out. Make sure you close every Office app after that, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Then restart your computer completely. After your PC starts back up, open Word again and sign in with your Microsoft account. This refreshes your Office login session and often fixes account-related errors. At this point, Word should be working normally again. If it still isn't, go back through the steps one more time and double-check that your date and time are correct. TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3 are enabled and your Office account is signed in properly. These simple fixes solve the error for many users without needing advanced troubleshooting. So to recap, the main things to try are repairing or checking Microsoft Office in Control Panel, correcting your system date and time, enabling TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3 in Internet options, and signing out and back into your Office account after restarting. If this video helped you fix Microsoft Word error 2604, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.